This is my home network setup. Quick overview. I have Insteon for my home controls. This is an access point for my guest Wi-Fi. I have a Dymo label there. Small little PDU, Netgear, 4WAN, load balancing firewall. Jest is a temperature monitor, which works great. I don't know if you can see that, but Netgear PoE 8-port switch with additional 8 ports, all gigabit. Another Netgear 24-port gigabit with VLAN setup. You can see I have multiple Comcast cable modems. They used to let you have multiple ones hooked up. That's why I had the 4-port WAN, but they don't allow you to do that anymore, so I just have the one now. And I can't have fiber in this area, so that's why I only have coax. And then in the server cabinet, I have a printer up top. I have 32 terabyte Synology with, I'm going to add 2 SSDs for caching. And then I have an R510 server with 4 terabyte drives. And then I have 4 battery backups. These have the network module in it, so I get alerted by email and text message when I lose power here. And I also have a backup Synology here that does replication for the backups on the other Synology. And that's about it.